Hello everyone, myself Dr. Jyoti Digulwani and we are back on our subject financial management. Our today's session learning topic is functions of finance manager. That is, what is the actual work which is done by the manager in a company, or what is the essential work of a manager. Basically, two types of work is done by finance manager. Number one, main function. Let us go with number one, main function, which includes investment decision, financing decision, dividend decision, and liquidity decision. We have already discussed this function in two previous videos under the heading of functions of finance, which is also included here in the functions of finance manager. Let us take a brief discussion about this main function. Number one, investment decision. Investment decision, that is where company want to invest. Whether company want to invest into long term activities or they want to invest into short term activities. If company is investing into long term activities, then it is known as capital budgeting, and if it is investing into short term activities, then it is known as working capital management. You can see the detail in the previous video. Financing decision, that company want to take short term loan or long term loan. Dividend decision, that if company is earning profit, then how much they are going to keep profit with themselves and how much profit is going to be distributed among the shareholders. Last one, liquidity decision, that is if company invest too much amount into daily routine amount, which is known as working capital, then company will face losses or blockages of the fund, and if they will invest a lesser amount into this working capital, then they will face the problem of liquidity. This is only brief of the main function. Now let us go into the detail of routine function, that is daily activity which is conducted by the finance manager. Under that, number one is supervision of cash receipt. What is cash receipt? Company has to do sales. There are two types of sales, cash sales and credit sales. If company does cash sales, then directly they get cash on hand. But if company is doing credit sales, then as a manager you have to check that all the collection of credit sales should be done on time. That is supervision over cash receipt. That is collection of the sales should be done by manager on time. Number two is cash disbursement. Disbursement means payment. If company is taking any goods or services on credit basis, then payment should be done on time. If they are not doing payment on time, then to their goodwill. So it is a work of a manager to check that whatever services or goods are taken by them on credit basis, payment should be done on time. Number three is to keep record of cash. Already we have discussed every company is working for money only. Company are collecting money from their debtors as well as they have to do payment to their creditors. So whatever money is generated by the company as well as whatever payments are done by the company should be recorded properly, and it is the work of a manager to check whatever incomings are there or whatever outgoings are there. If they will do any mistake in recording of this transaction, obviously there will be shortage of money. So this is the main task of a manager to check that all the transactions are recorded properly. Number 4 is to tally cash and bank balance. Whatever cash is collected by the firm, ultimately finally it is deposited into the bank, except if there are no payments. So whatever cash company is getting and whatever they are depositing into the bank or any deposits if done by customer, then company has to check that they have maintained proper records of cash and bank balance. If this cash and bank balance doesn't match with each other, then one account is prepared by the manager, which is known as bank reconciliation statement. It is already learned by the students in their 11th and 12th standard that how companies are preparing bank reconciliation statement. Mainly, this bank reconciliation statement are prepared to find out the difference of the balance which arises among cash and bank. So here it is a main task of the finance manager to check cash and bank balance, and if it is not tallied, then they have to prepare bank reconciliation statement. Next is supervision of bills. There are two types of bills in the company: bills receivable, bills payable. Bills receivable means company has to take money from their debtors, and bills payable means whatever payment should be done by the firm. So ultimately a manager has to check that whatever bills are to be received from the debtor should be received on time, as well as whatever payment should be done by the firm, it is to be paid on time, so that goodwill of the company should be maintained. Next, safeguarding of valuable papers. Which are the valuable papers? Whenever company is earning profit and if company profit increases, then manager invest this money into different securities or into different properties of other firms. Like, take for example, if company has excess money, say rupees 10 lakhs, then they will invest this money into shares, debentures, bonds of other company. Then they will have certain papers. It is the work of the finance manager to handle this all the paper and to keep in a safer place. Next topic is insurance policies. Company has to take insurance for assets, for machineries, for employees, and for other work also. Insurance company provides certain policies which is to be handled by finance manager only. And last one is filing, which is known as record keeping. Whatever bills, whatever policies or whatever documents are there should be filed by finance manager. If they lost any single file or any single record, then it will create losses in the firm. So main task of the finance manager or final task of the finance manager, you can say that filing or record keeping of the valuable documents of the firm. So basically two types of function of a finance manager are there: main function, routine function. Main function includes, as you know, these all the things which is discussed in the previous video, and routine function includes cash received supervision, that is whatever sales done by the firm, collection should be done on time by manager. Cash disbursement, that is payment of any purchase or any pending work is there, should be done by manager. Record of cash, cash incoming, cash outgoing should be recorded by manager. Then has to tally cash and bank balance. If any problem is there, then he or she has to prepare bank reconciliation statement. Supervision of bills. There are two types of bills: bills receivable and bills payable. Receivable should be received on time, as well as payable should be paid on the time. Safeguarding of valuable papers, that is, whatever money is invested into other securities like share, bonds, or in any other certificate, should be kept safely by the manager. Insurance, which is taken for any assets or for any employees, policies should be kept safely by manager. And last one is filing of records, that is filing of the bills, filing of any document should be done by finance manager. So this is what whole about working of finance manager in a company. With next topic in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Have a safe environment at home. Goodbye.